Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome for the first time. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace a doorknob. I tried one time a long time ago.
Guys, look.
And I think it was easy.
Guys, look, this will be fun for my monkey, look.
Okay.
You see it, kids? You see him?
So you're gonna try to unscrew that?
It's coming out.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Yeah, you just keep doing it. Okay, we're gonna do the other side real quick. So this just comes out, and then you pull the back side out. Bam! Looks pretty simple.
One.
Unscrew that.
I need the steps too, dude. It's so hard. I can hold the door for you.
Probably use a drill, because it's probably faster. I do have one, but I didn't bring it upstairs with me, because I didn't feel like I was gonna need it.
But you did.
So there we go.
You see it, kids? You see the hole for entrance?
No more locked doors.
It's all funny. I'm gonna put the screws back on. Okay. You need a screwdriver? I got it right now.
Okay.
She gave it to me.
Yeah. So now we put this piece back in here.
Look at this color. Door for me.
I have to do it.
Hold the door for me.
I'm just gonna turn it in a little bit so Eli can screw it.
Hold it for me. Hold it.
So now that part is in. So we're gonna grab the back piece. So it looks like this. There's like 3 pieces. You're gonna line that up. So I'm just tightening the screws right now before we try it with the screwdriver. Eli's trying to unscrew the door now.
Wait. I actually done it. It's hard, dude. This is always hard. This is so easy. Oh.
It is, right?
Yeah, it's so easy now.
So easy to change a doorknob.
Goofy.
Okay, so now it's on. It's nice and tight. You want to lock it? Lock it and go in the bathroom. It's locked. Thank you for watching, guys.
Yeah, thank you for watching this video. That was
It
funny.
was super easy and super fast, right?
Yeah, that was super funny because that hurt my brain. Look.
Bye.
Come on,
Bye.
baby.
There's a little purple monkey hanging on the bed. It's just hanging by itself. And there's Tiger looking at it. Oh! Tiger tried to get it. Go get it, Tiger.